Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Monday, the 27th of December, 2021. Remember, abbreviated trading week. We have New Year's Day. The markets will close earlier later this week. You got a lot of people not trading, volume on the thinner side. You got to pay attention to that. But as I told you last week, I think Santa's left the North Pole. I think he's circling. You're on your way, making new highs in a lot of these markets. The Santa Claus rally should be here in full swing. Remember, it takes place the day after, the first trading day after Christmas, today, and generally stops. In other words, the cycle that they call the Santa Claus rally around January 2nd. So not that long. Let's go to the energies. Down a little bit here. Wild swings in the nat gas. Opened, went to the high, fell down to 363, right back up here. I know cold weather, snow moving in across the Midwest now. It's already on the West Coast. If you take a look, Rockies and areas like that, ski resorts finally getting something. In the grain markets, you got the corn up, you've got the beans up, and that's because there's problems with the Brazil weather. And markets will be looking at that. Weather comes and goes. You got to pay attention to that part. Watch the bonds and notes. My guess is the trade's looking to sell rallies in that market. There's no key economic data out today. In Japan, they had overall retail sales for November coming up 1.9% on the year. For the large-scale retailer, they break it out a little different, up 1.4% on the year. China's economic data shrunk in the month of November. You see that industrial profits. And January through November, industrial profits shrunk a little bit. Israel, they're now testing the fourth shot. So they want to give this now to people that work with in medicine. They want to give it to those over 60, those that have an immune system that is a bit compromised. They want to work with those people, see what they can do. And as I said at the very onslaught of this, I expect that be it a pill, a vaccine, we're going to be taking something for this in each new variant for years to come. Not a 6-month period, years to come as variants show themselves. Now, the great news would be if Omicron became the dominant variant, nothing else came about, because as it is, if you have a vaccine, you can see the numbers already, they're there. You can't lie about that. Those that are vaccines, they're not as sick as those that are getting it and aren't, obviously the health system getting hurt. I'm seeing a lot of people starting to reach out on the website. I haven't even talked about our charting course, but they're either taking refreshers on it, which we sell, if you've taken the course, or they're purchasing the course to learn swing lines, the importance of them, how to apply moving averages with them, the filters and profit objectives that they end up showing you. Next, the slow stochastics. They're looking for the basics of it. Then I have a separate course, as you know, the enhanced a part of that goes hand in hand with the Bollinger Bands. So you put it together, you get the foundation for what a trade is, and then I teach you window envelopes, because not everything goes to a Bollinger Band. There's other spots on a chart where markets stop. 54 videos, about 8 hours of them. You'll go through the course easily in a week, week and a half, believe me, with little time put in. Then go through it again, and I think you'll get what it is. It's not a race. Make sure, don't even leave one of the chapters unless you understand it. To find out more, it's so simple. Just go to our website. Under the word education, it's all laid out there for you. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day today. I didn't put out weekend videos. I said I wouldn't over the holiday. We had family and everybody else over. But I'll be catching up on it now. And over New Year's, I'll try to get a weekend video out for you as well, this time on YouTube. Have a great trading day.